Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to enable split screen feature on your laptop. To enable split screen feature, you have to open at least two different windows on your laptop's display, and then in order to enable split screen you have to grab the top bar of one of the windows and move it to the top of your screen. Then select one of the available positions for your window. As you can see, you can place up to 4 different windows on your screen. So let's, for example, select this one and then click on the second position to put the second window into it. And now we can use both applications at the same time. And that's how the split screen feature works. You can also manage change the size of each window by moving the bar between them. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.